Nowadays, in the era of technology and transformation, every military in the world is moving towards this new transformation or the fast changing world. We have an example of DF-100 or CJ-1000 missiles of China, which are hypersonic missiles and are also capable of carrying nuclear warheads. Secondly, Shahed drones, which was used by Iran against US sophisticated military equipments like even AWACS systems. FPV drones of Ukraine, which it has used against Russia, were also very hard to detect by our radars of any country's radar systems. Also, we have seen this new evolving drone warfare are also pushing countries to do more manufacturing of themselves and to reduce the dependency of themselves towards other countries. There are the eightless defense systems as well of China. This eightless defense system is also a type of swarm drone systems, which is also very difficult to detect by any type of radars. And for what we are doing here is the question. So in this video, I'm going to tell about this joint vision that is being launched by our Chief of Army Staff General Dheeraj Seth, and he has launched a Vijay Vision. Vijay is an acronym for the things which I'm going to tell you. V means vigilance. Vigilance means that to take control or to get the knowledge or intelligence of what is happening at the border or outside the borders, inside or outside the countries. The second one is I. I means innovation. Innovation means to enhance our capabilities development, to enhance our skill development so that we can do our manufacturing in India only. And co-manufacturing, co-development with other countries are also a very crucial part of that. The next one is J. J means jointness. Jointness of Army, Navy and Air Force to have a better synergy of all the three forces so that we can fight any type of war in the future with better synergy and cooperation of all the three armed forces. Another one is the Atmanirbharta. Atmanirbharta means to have a self capabilities so that we can do our manufacturing of our weapons in India only. That will also help us to provide a boom to our Indian exports to different type of countries. Like this year itself, our Indian defense exports have reached to 38,000 crore. The last one is Y. Y means Yodha First. Yodha First is to look after the welfare of our soldiers, because these soldiers are very important or the critical part or the young force of our Indian military, and their welfare, their causes are need to be heard at the top level. Thank you.